Hey there! If you're looking to enable or disable the Swipe to Open option for Google or Bixby Assistant on your Samsung phone, you're in the right place. Sometimes having quick access to Google or Bixby Assistant can be a game changer. So let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Settings app. Next, scroll down a bit to find the Display option. Now, tap on Display. Then, scroll down a little more until you find the navigation bar option. Once you have found it, tap on the navigation bar. Now, make sure you have selected Swipe Gestures. After that, tap on More options. Next, scroll down the options. Here, you will spot the Swipe to Open Assistant app option. From here, you can choose to either enable or disable this feature. If you enable it, head back to your home screen. Finally, swipe in from the left or right corner of the screen. This action will launch the Google Assistant app. So, that's how you enable and disable the Swipe to Open feature for your Google or Bixby Assistant on your Samsung phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Thanks a ton for watching.